Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. Uh, it's about 9 o'clock. Sun's about to go down. The fireworks have already started going off here in the neighborhood, and there's even some karaoke going on. Uh, I ain't gonna say it's as good as what's happening in the Philippines for the karaoke, but yeah, they're trying enthusiastic. I think they're Asian, uh, Chinese. Not positive about that. Uh, yeah, I can honestly say this little neighborhood has always been big on celebrating 4th of July. That's a good thing. Uh, Problem is, they start off early, and yeah, I got woke up. Somebody set up a couple of them big ones. Well, not the real big ones, but big ones that you can buy. Yeah, made me think I was getting hit with lightning strikes, but realized it's not. It's the 4th of July, so yay. Uh, just hopes everybody's tries to be careful about this, because yeah, a lot of people will play with fireworks and not realize the danger and wake up tomorrow missing a finger. It happens. Sadly, it happens. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a good one. Uh, Trying to get things taken care of. Got my 2 boxes completely filled, 3 bags, and well, 3 suitcases and a bag. I'm still gonna need another bag. That or I need to go to bigger suitcases. uh, haven't quite figured it out yet. It's okay. I can work with it. It's one of the good things. Uh, and the guy that made the offer on the house has flaked out and disappeared. I don't know if he's just took the time off for the weekend because it's the 4th and going to celebrate. But yeah, got other options. Still trying. Was hoping to already had it signed and going on, the signing and having things going, but did manage to get my cousin over here to run a bunch of stuff out of the house and get it over to be used. Uh, yeah, looks like it turned out to be a pretty nice night for it. It come up rained last night overnight, so yeah. All I know is I didn't get as much sleep as I wanted, but that might have to do with my choosing to try to stay up until a little later and then getting kicked out of bed earlier. Uh, it is what it is. Got the 2 boxes consolidated down, and that's part of the problem. Why I'm having to have more stuff in my suitcases. I think I'm going to end up going ahead and having a 3rd box anyway. I don't know how well it comes through, but they're popping. uh, I've seen some real good one's just gone up on the roof and sat and watched. Can't do that tonight. I got to get out and go to the job. Some strange reason I'm still working. Uh, Hopefully they'll get it figured out and this won't interfere with getting out of here. Uh, I don't know about you, but yeah, I'm ready to get things taken care of and me out the door. I'm trying to get tried to go get a something done at the bank, and then I realized holiday. Yeah, I realized that there's a lot of businesses that ain't open. Thought I would swing by and get one of them smoothies or slushies, whatever you want to call them. They weren't open. Yeah. Fireworks. Kind of important. Celebrating. Anyway, I really need more coffee. I haven't had coffee yet. I need to go wake up. It is what it is. I was trying to get drivers for the thing here. Uh, it's wanting to argue with me about it. Still haven't got the trackpad to start working. I'm wondering what's up. Anyway, I'm going to call it. Hope y'all have had a good week and hope your weekend's off to a good one. Happy 4th of July. Be independent. Independence Day. It's about us fighting off and getting rid of the rulers. What? So we could trade them in for ones in DC? Yeah. Anyway, enjoy your freedom. It never lasts and it ain't free. And more people need to actually understand what the reasons and why you should be independent, not trying to tell everybody else how to do something. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you. And enjoy this Independence Day weekend. May it be a good one for you. And for those of you not from here, enjoy your weekend period. Enjoy your day. Anyway, lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. And again, more food. A lot more food. I'm going to be, yeah, I'm going to be getting some. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.